Governor of Rivers State, His Excellency Sir Siminalayi Fubara, GSS-ROS. Your Excellency, sir, we, the immediate past local government chairman of Rivers State, stand in unwavering solidarity with you in this trying time, despite the unfortunate declaration of a state of emergency in our beloved state. We recognize and commend your dedication to the development, peace, and security of our dear state, as demonstrated by the numerous pro-people projects you have executed. These projects have significantly contributed to the stability and progress being enjoyed by the good people of Rivers State. Your robust and cordial relationship with the security agencies domiciled in Rivers State, occasioned by the numerous logistical support provided by your administration, culminated into the sustained peace, harmony, and security enjoyed by residents of Rivers State. Following the Supreme Court judgment of February 28, 2025, we as law-abiding citizens dutifully obeyed your directive to hand over to the heads of local government administration in our respective local government areas. In compliance with the court's decision, it is therefore deeply disheartening that persons with ulterior motives will intentionally misinform Mr. President, claiming that you failed to obey the Supreme Court's ruling, when in reality, you, our governor, have consistently demonstrated respect for the rule of law. Additionally, in furtherance to the compliance of the Supreme Court's judgment, your relentless effort to present the 2025 budget to the House of Assembly, which was unfortunately frustrated by individuals who choose to put personal and political interests above the well-being and stability of Rivers State, was clearly seen by all Nigerians. Despite these setbacks, your determination to serve the state with integrity remains evident to all. In light of these challenges, we, along with the vast majority of Rivers people, both politically affiliated and non-affiliated, stand solidly behind you. We remain steadfast in our support and await your directive on the way forward for the peace, progress, and stability of Rivers State. Your Excellency, sir, Nigerians and the world at large see you as a leader who stood firm and have continued to stand firm for justice, development, and the security and stability of Rivers State. Long live Rivers State. Long live our governor, His Excellency Sir Siminalayi Fubara, GSS-ROS. Long live the Federal Republic of Nigeria. This is signed by the immediate past 23 local government chairmen of Rivers State.
All right, my name is Right Honorable Promise Reginald. I'm the past local government chairman of our local government here at Rivers State. Of course, you can see it for yourself. The state is relatively calm. The entire 23 local government of the Rivers State is peaceful. It has been peaceful, and it has continued to be peaceful, despite the fact that so many persons that are not happy with the recent happening in the political space. But above all, our people have decided to choose the path of peace, as being done by His Excellency, the Governor of Rivers State. So we, as politicians and non-politicians, they decided to emulate the style of His Excellency, which is the Rivers State must come first and the entire state must be peaceful. You know, this is politics, and in terms of why playing politics, some people, they go extreme, but they know all of us are Rivers sons and daughters before politics. And I'm sure that they are all aware that the marketing the state will do us no good but more harm, because as you can see, what they've been, the rumors out there is nothing but fallacy, because there is no record of any insecurity, no record of theft, no record of any form of insecurity in the entire state. So, for me, it's just politics they are playing, and I just hope and pray that God Almighty will also touch their hearts so they will come back and understand the fact that the state has to come first, and the marketing the state will do us no good but harm. So what the rumor they've been spreading is nothing but fallacy, and I'm sure they're aware of it.